You know it's springtime. We all love springtime. The only problem with it is that it often brings fleas. And if you are the parent of a dog or a cat, like Mike and I are, and Dr. Wes Borgman, then you know this is not a fun time of year because you got to keep the fleas away. Once the fleas get in, it is bad.
It can take several weeks or several months actually to get fleas under control. So what we're recommending right now is if your dog hasn't had heartworm or flea control in the past 30 days, it's time to get started. This is flea season. We're seeing a lot of fleas right now. Dogs Like Happy here is a perfect example. If you want to pan down here and Happy, and looking down by the base of the tail is a place where we can sometimes see fleas. Also, if you roll them over and look in their belly, is another place where we commonly find fleas. Many times I'll have a client that will come in and say one dog has fleas and the other dog doesn't. Well, in many cases, both dogs have the fleas, but only one dog may have a flea allergy.
Okay.
So if you have pets, you should have all of the pets in the house, including dogs and cats, on the flea control.
And what do you suggest? I see you brought a couple products here. What
there's
do you
a lot
like?
of good products.
Okay.
So you need to go to your veterinarian and find out what your veterinarian recommends for your pet.
Okay.
Now, right now, I've had a lot of good success with the Comfortus and the Trifexis.
Okay.
The things I like about them, they're an oral tablet. They leave no external residue on the dog. It's a once-a-month pill, and it seems to be working pretty well in a lot of cases. But the bottom line is you need to go to your veterinarian and find out what's appropriate for your pet.
There are a lot of over-the-counter products, you know, the ones that we've been using for years that you just put the little drops on their backs.
Yes.
Do you like those, or do you think there's better stuff?
I'm not a big fan of any of the topicals. Even the name brand ones that veterinarians have been using, we're not seeing sometimes work as well as they used to. They also leave an external residue that comes off on your skin. It used to be you had to treat the pet, treat the house, treat the yard, and you still didn't get the fleas under control. With some of the newer products, if you're using it on a regular basis, we've had a great success with getting fleas. So fleas are easier to take care of now, but it's an ongoing battle. You can't stop because
can't let up. Yeah.
6 fleas in the weather we have right now, 6 fleas can become 250,000 fleas in just 6 weeks.
That's horrifying.
Yes.
And they're horrible to get rid of. And then they bite you, they bite everybody in the house. All right, so listen to Dr. Wes Borgman. He's got great advice for you. Thank you to Happy. Thank you to Mike Seiden for coming in and helping us with this segment. And go talk to your vet about getting them an oral flea treatment.